Ambrodil is a commonly used mucolytic agent designed to help in the treatment of respiratory conditions by thinning and loosening mucus. The primary ingredients are 1. Ambroxol hydrochloride, category mucolytic agent. Function reduces the thickness of mucus, making it easier to expel through coughing. 2. Guaifenesin in Ambrodil Plus, category expectorant. Function helps loosen and clear mucus from the airways. 3. Terbutaline sulfate in Ambrodil S or Ambrodil Plus, category bronchodilator. Function relaxes the muscles of the airways, making it easier to breathe by reducing bronchospasm. 4. Menthol, optional in some formulations, category cooling agent. Function provides a soothing and cooling effect on the throat. Mode of action. 1. Ambroxol hydrochloride, mucolytic effect, breaks down the structure of thick mucus, mucopolysaccharides, reducing its viscosity. This makes it easier for the body to expel the mucus during coughing. Stimulation of surfactant increases the production of surfactant, which reduces mucus adhesion to airway walls, promoting mucus clearance. 2. Guaifenesin, if present, increases the water content of mucus, making it thinner and less sticky, which helps in productive coughing. Provides relief from chest congestion by enhancing mucus drainage from the lungs. 3. Terbutaline sulfate acts as a beta-2 adrenergic receptor agonist, relaxing the smooth muscles in the bronchi, bronchodilation, reduces airway resistance, and eases breathing in conditions like asthma and chronic bronchitis. 4. Menthol, if present, provides a soothing sensation in the throat, helps alleviate throat irritation and discomfort caused by coughing. Therapeutic uses. Ambrodil is typically prescribed for wet or productive cough associated with excessive mucus, chest congestion caused by respiratory infections like bronchitis, pneumonia, or COPD, respiratory conditions with mucus buildup such as asthma or chronic bronchitis.